Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add animations to your slides created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my cool YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and start creating your slides. After that, you should tap on this animations button at the top below the search bar. After that, you should select your slide that includes some kind of text or some kind of items that you have inserted and to which you can add the animations. If you tap on this more button, you can check out all of the available animations organized into distinct categories such as entrance, emphasis, or exit. So select the relevant one and tap on it, and as you can see, it has been applied to this icon that you have inserted previously. It is marked with this numeral, and if you apply something, you can have apply these options from bottom left, so it will appear from the left, from top left, so it depends on which one you choose. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.